Kamala Harris. Could she be the new threat to your wealth? Many Americans believe that Joe Biden's presidency was a low point for the nation, with increasing taxes, rising inflation, and a faltering economy. However, the prospect of Kamala Harris taking the reins has left many questioning if things could get even worse. For the middle class, retirees, and anyone invested in 401ks, Harris's policies may pose an even greater risk to financial stability. The threat to middle-class wealth and retirement. Kamala Harris's tax plan has been a point of concern for many. If implemented, it could significantly impact middle-class Americans, particularly those who are relying on their 401ks and retirement savings. Harris has proposed higher taxes on wealth, which would hit not only the rich, but also those who have diligently saved for retirement. The increase in taxes could mean that the hard-earned savings of millions of Americans will be eroded, leaving them with less money to live on in their retirement years. Moreover, Harris's proposal to tax unrealized gains raises significant concerns for investors and the broader economy. By taxing gains that have not yet been realized, the policy could force individuals to pay taxes on investments that might decrease in value the following year, potentially resulting in financial strain if the market turns bearish. This could devastate retirees who rely on their 401ks, as they might be forced to liquidate assets prematurely to cover these taxes, significantly reducing their retirement nest egg. Additionally, Harris's plan to increase the corporate tax rate could prompt businesses to offset higher taxes by cutting costs, often through layoffs, which could lead to higher unemployment. This combination of policies risks creating a challenging economic environment where both individual and corporate financial stability are threatened, potentially stifling economic growth and increasing economic inequality. The weakening dollar and economic instability. Under Harris's potential presidency, the dollar is likely to face significant pressure. The Fed is already torn between keeping interest rates high, which could lead to bank failures and increased unemployment, or cutting interest rates, which would fuel inflation and further weaken the dollar. The dollar's weakening isn't just a hypothetical scenario. The rise of BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, has already started to challenge the dominance of the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. If the dollar loses its status, we could see a significant devaluation, leading to higher costs for imports, everyday goods and services, stretching the budgets of American families even thinner. What a Kamala Harris presidency could mean for you. If Kamala Harris wins, the middle class could face higher taxes, diminished retirement accounts, and a weaker dollar, all contributing to a more challenging financial landscape. With the government's ongoing deficit spending driving debt to unsustainable levels, the resulting economic instability could push more Americans toward financial ruin. The impact of a weakened dollar would ripple through the economy, leading to higher inflation, a drop in purchasing power, and a decline in the value of dollar-denominated assets. For those close to retirement, this could mean their 401ks and other retirement plans lose value just as they need them most. The potential risks of a Kamala Harris presidency are real and significant. From higher taxes and a weaker dollar to the devaluation of retirement savings, Americans could face a bleak financial future if these policies come to fruition. Now, more than ever, it may be wise to consider alternative diversification instruments. This particular asset may help protect your financial future and possibly get you prepared for whatever comes next. At the very least, you should get your free educational kit and learn the ins and outs of this investment instrument. Protecting your wealth and securing your future is your responsibility. Hope is not a strategy.